the verbal command set stay to remind her she is in a set. And this is Nan Sampson, and we're training here. I'm teaching them eye contact and the here command. Here. Yes, good boy. I found some trees he likes, and he's motivated. Here. Samson. Oh, he found one on the floor there. So let me get his attention back over here. Samson, here. Yes, good boy. Hi, here's Groucho, and Groucho has been taught set stay, down stay, and what you see here is an in stay, where he goes within a boundary and stays there.